Hello viewers, today's topic is STP. STP stands for Systematic Transfer Plan. This is another variation of investing in mutual funds. SIP or SIP is already mega popular. A lot of people understand it, that it's the best way to invest in equity mutual funds. But what about such people, those who have lump sum amount to invest? They always struggle and they try to time the market, which sometimes leads to wrong decisions. So what is the solution for those who have lump sum amount to invest in mutual funds? The solution is in the form of STP, which is in detail Systematic Transfer Plan, where you invest your lump sum amount in a liquid fund of a well-performing asset management company and give instructions to the AMC to transfer a particular amount into one of the chosen equity funds as a mandate. Just to explain this with the help of an example, let's say you have 10 lakhs of rupees to invest and you have a long-term goal and you want your money to be invested in equity mutual fund scheme. Now, if you invest 10 lakh rupees straight away into any particular scheme, the risk is very high. If there is a correction in the market in the coming months, you might lose some part of your capital, which can be painful. So what you can do is, you can choose a particular AMC and invest 10 lakhs of rupees into its liquid fund and give instructions that 50,000 rupees every month should be transferred to your chosen equity mutual fund schemes. Which means that in 20 months time, your 10 lakh rupees will get shifted or transferred from liquid fund to equity mutual fund of your choice. And because the money will be transferred in 20 installments every month, you will ride over the volatility and the ups and downs will not impact you. So in a way it is the reverse of SIP, but it is useful only when you have lump sum amount to invest. So viewers, if you are struggling to invest your lump sum amount in mutual funds, go for STP. Contact your financial planner today or relationship manager in Bajaj Capital and he'll explain to you in detail. Thank you.